Good morning. Once again I am going to explain you about pendulum. You can see here the pendulum clock where the pendulum is at the bottom of the clock. A small mass that is suspended from a fixed point and allowed to swing freely under the influence of gravity is called a pendulum. It is a pendulum. You can see here a pendulum where a metal string is there. A metal string suspended to a point. This is known as point of attachment, and this is string or wire by which a metal ball or stone is suspended. This is the small mass is known as bob. So this is a structure of pendulum. The small mass which is connected to a string. Now some important points are there, some important terms are there related to the pendulum. First is effective length. Effective length means the length of this suspended wire, suspended string from the point of attachment to the center of the bob is known as effective length. Second is oscillation or vibration. The to and fro motion of an pendulum is known as oscillation or vibration. This is to and fro motion. That means it moves this side and this side. To and fro motion. And one oscillation can be calculated when we stretch the bob and leave it. Then what we will see that it will start swinging. This point at the center of the bob, which is known as mean point or equilibrium point, and to end up to which the bob moves is known as extreme point. One extreme point and another extreme point. So this to and fro motion is known as oscillation or vibration. Third is time period. Time period is the time taken to complete one vibration is known as time period. That means we have to count one oscillation, and the method is from the center point to one extreme, then to the other extreme, and again to back its mean position. This is known as one oscillation, and the time taken to complete one oscillation is known as time period. And third is amplitude. Amplitude is the maximum distance traveled by the bob. How much distance it travels is known as amplitude. So now I think the terms related to pendulum is clear to all of you, and now you are able to understand.